It's definitely chilly. Whatever, this is just pregame for wheelies and bow ties. The first like 30s and 20s hit the forecast. Wheelies and bow ties underway. Remember the first year you showed up in like just a shirt? You didn't even show up with a jacket on, bro. It's so cold. This is pretty cold right now for me. My nips are definitely hard. Hey, Grom, look at that guy. You see him? Had no helmet on, just a hoodie. Looked like a scooter the way their posture was. Any VIP parking? Oh yeah, right up front. Let's go. Does it fit? Oh, I got my sliders on. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, ground parking. You ever go that way? Wait for me. Oh, don't. All right, what up, YouTube? So today, midweek group ride. You guys are gonna notice something different on the bike. The dual sport tires are backed on. That's for a little adventure tomorrow. Nope. Holy shit, look at this jump. It's a big curb. Go explore. We got about an hour before the meetup. There's a bunny. It's okay, bunny. We come in peace. Grom has never heard a bunny on my watch. Started the hooning already. Lewis came over to my house right after work to help me bleed my rear brake. I was having some issues putting the caliper back on. I had to move the line around to get it to fit. Make sure my brakes still work. No skateboarding, bicycle, and rollerblading. Scooter riding. Debatable. Don't mind this. Hey, there's people watching charades or something in there. I think it's security. I'm gonna go underneath so he can't see me. He's watching. It's like security. You can see the cameras on, and then he's watching like some show. Yeah, go hide in the dumpster. He comes out. I thought I heard something, bro. I feel like an alligator is gonna snatch me up. Slow down, bro. Don't leave me by myself with the alligators. It's so dark. Oh my god, look at that. Someone on the left, put it down, put it down, put it down. What's that light right there on the left? I don't know what that is. There shouldn't be a light there. I don't think there's anything there. That is creepy. What is that? Yo, this is creepy as fuck. What the hell is this light for? Yo, come over here. There's like a canister on it. Hey, go check it out. What is it? Nope, nope, nope. What up, YouTube? I was on picture mode, so I didn't record any of that, but we got a midweek group ride disguised as a Wheelie Wednesday happening right now. I wasn't recording the intro, but we got a bunch of people here for a midweek group ride. 62 degrees. Jesus, Lewis. 62 degrees outside in Florida. Everyone is in their cold weather gear. Look at this tire. Oh my, look at this. Look to your right. Look at that. What are those? What is that? He needs to stop doing super chats and just invest in his tire. No more super chats until you fix that. That is so bad. That's all wire. I can probably step on that. I bet you I can split it right now. Just pop it by stepping on it. Oh, I got that Camry. What's wrong with you? Cold air has got you all fucking jibbity. Look, I got a hole in my shoe. Get my foot back. Where you at? What's wrong with him? What'd you do to him? Get his gear shifter. Good now, his finger's off it. Alright. Pop them up, kids. That was Tampa 125 doing the dancing on the tank thing. Give the people what they want, Lewis. He just kill switched himself. Hey, I'm riding. 12 o'clock, boys. I don't know if I can pull a third. Let me try. Oh yeah, I can. When it comes right back down. Solid. What kind of pants are these right next to me?
Hey, are you going to E4?
No. We're going the hood. Hey, I got seconds. Why are you fucking up my final? I finally got seconds. I can't even reach yours, bro.
No poopy! No poopy!
I'm still kill switched. You fucking suck, bro. Look, the light's red now. Half the group just ran the red light because of you. My key only goes in one way. Oh shit. Stand up industries, baby. He needs that 450 life again. What was that?
On the combo, bro.
Combo? Alright, I gotta redeem myself now. Going through the hood. Can I play DMX? I need some hood redemption. Nope. There's a bag of garbage in the middle of the road. Stock exhaust only ride. Coming up quick. Are we still in the hood? Is this like the new hood? I think that's the new hood. That's hood 2.0. Look, Fat Albert. Sidewalk? I don't think you can get back down. I don't think it comes out. Oh, just go straight in like you're playing Forza. Just bounce off somebody. Oh, mandatory roundabout? Let's go. Trap house. It's a trap. Let's get out of the hood. It's dark and boring.
And, I'm done. I took you through the hood. I did my part. That's what went through my death.
What's this? This way, yeah?
That way, yeah.
Hey. Alright, make it right. Make it right. Yo, do you even wheelie, bro? You see this, Lewis? You can't even kill. Oh, cop right here. Is that a cop? I don't know. It looks like a cop car. Pulled. That doesn't look like a cop car. Pulled straight in like that. Which is, it's not. Cops aren't allowed to pull straight in. Look at that bike right there. This fucking guy. Did we pass downtown yet? Just park it. Nice. You did try. Stupid. Chicken wing. Watch out, there goes Brandon. Yeah, Brandon was behind you, but he went right. Jesus. Woo, alright, beautiful downtown Tampa. Lewis, motorcycle parking only. Oh, nice. What was that? I'm gonna try to balance here. Oh, it's Corey. Corey's doing a stunt. Hey, Corey! Corey's doing a stunt. Yay! Who else is doing? Oh, Brandon too. I don't know how Brandon still has a tire. Jesus, bro. What's wrong with you? Hey, go through the fountains. Tampa 125 squad. Pop it up! Pop it up! Anthony was so impressed by my wheelie, it almost crashed.
Oh my God, I got poop on me! Poopy!
You got... Ew. Tampa poopy on him. Ah, Tampa 125 can't do this. And he's trying to be the Photogromer. Out of my watch. What'd you guys get cold? Huh?
I had to get gas, I told everybody to keep going.
I had to make sure my friends were there. I hit a pothole.
You hit a pothole?
Yeah.
Oh, like,
I hit a pothole. Standing up. I was like, you must be stretching.
So the crash involved someone hit a pothole and Tyler had to get gas. Lewis is like, somebody went down. Let's go back and look. There's a karaoke night tonight? Oh. Should have kept going. Alright, well, I guess that's the end of the ride. Oh my God, are you stupid? Lewis, look, I'm an old man. I can't be going down like that. I'm gonna spring something. Listen, these 12 squares are mine. Stay out of my property. Oh, you're gonna walk into a pump? This is how things happen. This is how 7-Elevens get shut down. Into the fence. I don't care about your wheelbarrow shit.